Welcome to another class of computer lesson. So today we are going to learn the revision portions of this chapter. So here we are going to discuss about chapter number 6, 7, 8 and 9. 6, 7th chapter, 8th chapter and 9th chapter. So 6th chapter. The chapter name is Inserting Objects in Word. So in this chapter, we learn how to insert a picture or any object in Word document. And we already learned what is clip art, then how to insert a picture, then apply various styles, etc. So the important topics in this chapters are: first, a cell in a table is the intersection of a row and a column. First point, what is a cell? A cell in a table is the intersection of a row and a column. Cell is the intersection of rows and column. Then next step, which tab will you click on to insert a Smartart? So if you want to insert a Smartart, which tab will you click? That is the tab. The answer is which tab? Insert tab. So for inserting Smartart, then click Insert tab, then click Smartart. So first point, a cell is the intersection of rows and columns. For inserting Smartart, you have to click on which tab? Insert. Then what is word art? Word art is the collections of pictures. Word art is the text with spatial effects applied to it. So next point, what is word art? Word art is the collection, is the text with the spatial effects applied to it. What is word art? Word art is the text with the spatial effects applied to it. Then, next one, a table consists of rows and columns. Rows are horizontal and columns are vertical. Then rows are horizontal and columns are vertical. Columns are vertical. So once again, first, what is a cell? Cell is the intersection of rows and columns. Rows are horizontal and columns are vertical. How to insert a Smartart? Using which tab? Insert tab. What is word art? Word art is the text with the spatial effects applied to it. Okay. Then next one. So the question dash is the text with the spatial effects applied to it. What is that? Word art. Word art is the text with the spatial effects applied to it. Then to insert picture, then click on which tab? Insert tab. Then what is the word processor software of the Microsoft Office suite called MS Word? Then, so clip art is the collections of pictures, sounds and video files. These are the important topics in this chapter. First one, how a cell is formed. That is, it is due to the intersection of cells and rows and columns. Then next one, what is word art? Word art is the text with with the special effects applied to it. Then for inserting Smartart, then you will click on Insert Tab. Then rows are horizontal and columns are vertical. Then Clipart is the collections of audios, pictures and videos. Then moving to the next chapter, that is starting Microsoft Office PowerPoint, chapter number 7. Chapter number 7, starting MS Office PowerPoint. Starting MS Office PowerPoint. Then, so what is presentation? Presentation is the act of presenting the contents of a topic to an audience. So here there are some components present in presentation. What are they? Title bar, ribbon, office button, slide area, placeholder. Title bar, ribbon, office button, slide area and placeholder. So the area within a dashed border in which you insert the elements is called placeholder. So the first point word is placeholder. Placeholder. What is placeholder? The area with a dashed border. The area with a dashed border in which you insert the elements. Area with dashed border in which you insert the elements and which is known as placeholder. Insert elements is known as placeholder. Then next step. PowerPoint is a software used to make presentation. PowerPoint is a software used to make presentations. Then ribbon is the option. Ribbon option means it is one of the component in the PowerPoint window, and the ribbon option gives you all the options in a single area. So MS Office is a word in which you can make effective presentation. Is this statement correct or not? MS Word is a software which you can make effective presentations. It's wrong because we know MS Word is the software used to create documents, not making presentations. So which is the software used to make presentation? That is PowerPoint. Okay. Then next one, to insert a new slide, click on dash button under the home tab. If you want to insert a new slide into your presentation, then click on which tab? Insert tab. Home tab, and then under new slide button. Then what is the importance of title slide? What is the importance of title slide? Is there any importance? Yes, title slide gives an idea about the topic. What is its importance? Title slide gives an idea about the topic you want to present. So that is the importance of title slide. Then, so here, starting with Microsoft Office PowerPoint, first point, what is placeholder? An area with the dashed border in which insert elements. Then next, what is the importance of title slide? Importance of title slide. Importance of title slide is the title slide gives an idea about the topic. Then next one, PowerPoint is a software used to make presentation. PowerPoint making presentations. PowerPoint is used to make presentations. Next one. A table consists of rows and columns. Then you can start the slide by pressing F5 key. F5 key. So F5 key is used to start the presentation, not F6 key. F5 key. Function key number 6. Function key 6 is used to start the slide. So once again, placeholder is the area with a dashed border in which we can insert the elements. Then importance of titles like this, it gives an idea about the topic. Then PowerPoint is the software used to make presentation. Then you can start the slide using the key F5. Okay, understood? Then next one. Which is the software provides an interface to working with the logo line. So moving to next chapter, more fun with the logo. More fun with logo. Okay. So in this chapter we have discussed logo means logic oriented, graphic oriented language, and it is the computer language which is used to draw graphics, or computer using draw graphics with the help of a pointer, and it is called a turtle. Then there are some important components of window. That is, what are the components? Input box, command record box, execute button, and reset button. Then the logo commands are known as what? Primitives. Logo commands are known as primitives. So which is the software provides an interface to work with the logo language, and that interface known as MSW logo interface. MS. So in this chapter the first point is MSW logo interface. Logo interface. So what is its function? It acts an interface to work with the logo language. So this provides an interface to work with the logo language. What is that interface? MSW logo interface. Okay. Then second point, the logo commands are known as primitives. Logo commands are known as what? Primitives. Logo commands are known as primitives. Can you give some examples of logo commands? Yes. So say, which are the commands? FD, then DK, then RT, then LT, then CS, then CT, etc. So FD, DK, RT, LT, CS, CT, etc. FD means forward. FD means forward, DK back, RD right, LT left, CS means clear screen, CT means clear text. So once again, first point is MSW logo interface, which provides an interface to work with logo language. Then second point, logo commands are known as primitives. Third point, there are some important logo commands like FD. What is FD? Forward. BK. Back. RT. Right. LT. Left. CS. Clear screen. And CT. Clear text. Then next, which is the command which is used to clear the drawing area of the screen. So which is that command? that is CS. CS is the command, or CS means clear screen. CS means clear screen is the command used to clear the drawing areas. The question, which is the command used to clear the drawing area? What it is? Clear screen or CS. CS is the command used to clear the drawing area or the screen. Then next one, what is the command used to erase unwanted lines? So to erase the unwanted lines, we have a command PE, which is the command used to erase the unwanted lines. That is PE. Pen erase. Pen erase is the command used to remove unwanted lines in the logo language. Then next, write repeat commands. Repeat commands means repeat command is used to draw shapes like circle, triangle, pentagon, hexagon, etc. That is the application of repeat command. We can draw polygons, circles, arcs using repeat command. Then next, print command. Print command is used. Print command is PR. PR is used to print messages and also do calculations. Print and do calculations. Do calculations. So once again, first point is MSW logo interface, which provides an interface to work with logo language. The important commands in logo is known as primitives. The basic commands are FD, DK, RT, LT, CS, CT, etc. Then CS is important command, clear screen, which is used to clear the drawing area. Then yes, so clear screen means it is the command CS and which is used to clear the drawing area. The next is PE. PE means pen erase command, which is used to remove the unwanted lines. Erase the unwanted lines. Then what about PR? PR or print command, which is used to print messages and do calculations. Then what is the difference between PU and PD? PU means pen up and PD means pen down. PU means pen up and PD means pen down. So PU command picks the pen so that it can move with the drawing lines. Sorry, without drawing lines. PU means pen up, so it can move the turtle without drawing lines. So if you apply PU commands, you cannot draw lines, but you can pick the turtle up position. Then PD means you can draw the lines. So pen down. So that is the difference between PU and PD commands. Then next one is repeat command. What about repeat command? Repeat command, it is the main application of repeat command is used to draw circles, arcs with using the arcs, polygons like triangles, squares, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, etc. Then next is home. Home means to bring the turtle back to the center. So home command is used to bring the turtle back to the center. So once again in this chapter, first point is MSW logo interface, which is used to provide an interface to work with the logo language. Second one is logo commands, which is also known as primitives. The main important commands used in logo are FD for forward to move the turtle in the forward direction. DK means back to move the turtle in the backward direction with the required number of steps. RT means to turn the turtle to the right side direction with an angle. LT means to turn the turtle to the left direction with an angle. CS means clear screen, to clear the drawing area. CG means clear text, to erase the commands in the command record box. And then PE means pen erase, to remove the unwanted lines in the figure. And PR means PR is used to do calculations and also print messages. When pen up means PU. PU is the command used to pick the pen up direction without drawing lines. And PD means pen down. You can draw lines using this command. Then moving to next chapter, that is chapter 9, Internet Applications. So chapter number 9, Internet Applications. Okay, so in this chapter, the internet consists of three things: www, World Wide Web, email and chatting. So first one, website. Website is the term which is the collection of web pages. Website is the collection of web pages, and web page is the digital page containing information in the form of text, picture, video and audio. Then URL means, the full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator. So each document on the website has an address on the internet. And next one is home page, which is the first page of a book, website. Then web browser, it is the software application which makes it possible for a user to interact with the internet forms like text, images, audio, video, etc. Then first one, what is a collection of web pages? What is a collection of web pages? Website. So first point is website is the collection of web pages. Website is the collection of web pages. Collection of web pages. Then next one, URL is basically the address of the internet document. So next point, what is URL? URL is Uniform Resource Locator. Uniform R resource, then L locator. Uniform Resource Locator, and which is the address of the internet. Address of the internet. Okay. Then third point. So internet is a global network. Third point is internet is a global network. Internet is a global network. Then next one, what is the full form of email? Email. Email is the electronic mail. E represents electronic. So electronic mail. Then next one, which is the largest network in the world connecting millions of people worldwide. So which is the largest network? Yes, we know that is internet. Internet is the largest network. Then, which is the graphical part of internet from where you download the information? So, what is that? www. It is the graphical part. Then, next, to search for an information on the www, dot is required. What is required? A web browser. A web browser is required to search for the information. Then, what is a search engine? A search engine is a website designed to search for the information on the World Wide Web. What is search engine? Search engine is a website designed for the information, to search for the information on the World Wide Web. Then, what is the electronic way of sending messages from one computer to another? What is that? Email. So, what is email? Email is the electronic way of sending messages from one computer to another computer. Then, what are its main advantages? It is very fast. Message is received within second. And the second one is it is economical. Then, which is the instant way of communication? Chatting. It is the instant way of communication. So, what are the points? At first, we discussed website. Website is the collection of web pages. Second one, URL, Uniform Resource Locator, and it is the address of the internet. Then, third one is internet is a global network. Also, we can see it is the largest network in the world, connecting millions of people worldwide. And next, full form of email is electronic mail, and the main two advantages are it is very fast and economical. Then what about search engine? It is the website designed for searching information on the World Wide Web. Then which is the electronic way of sending messages from one computer to another? That is email. Then next, last one, instant way of communication is chatting. Then next point is home page. The first page of website is known as home page. Home page is the first page of website. Then next one, what does E stands for in email? E stands for electronic. Then what is the address of an internet document called? Write the full form. What is the address? URL, Uniform Resource Locator. Then so these are the main topics in this chapter. So let me remind you all these chapters. At first, that is, which tab will you click on to insert a Smartart? For inserting Smartart, then you will click on which tab? Insert tab. That is the first point. Then a cell in a table is the combination or intersection of rows and columns. That is the second one. First point, what is a cell? It is the intersection of rows and columns. Second one, if you want to insert Smartart, then click on insert the tab. Then a table consists of rows and columns. Rows are horizontal and columns are vertical. Then what is word art? Word art is the text with the spatial effects applied to it. What is clip art? Clip art is the collection of or ready-made collections of audios, videos and pictures. Then what is the word processor used here is MS Office Word. Then next, if you want to add clip art or word art, then which tab will you click? That is insert. Then next chapter, chapter 7, Microsoft Office PowerPoint. First one, what is presentation? It is the act of presenting a content of a topic to the large number of audiences. Then The PowerPoint is used to make presentations. Then what about ribbon? Ribbon is one of the component in the window and it gives you all the options in a single area. Then clipart. Clipart is the ready-made collection of pictures, audios and videos. Then what is placeholder? The area on a slide with a dashed border in which you can insert the elements and which is known as placeholder. Then next, Dash is a presentation making software. So what is that? MS Office PowerPoint. Then to insert a new slide, click on the Dash button under the Home tab. Under the Home tab, there is a button named New Slide. So you can click there for inserting new slide. Then next one, what is the importance of title slide? It gives an idea about the topic. That is the importance. Then next, eighth chapter, more fun with logo. So in that chapter, the important points are what is logo language. Logo language is a computer language used to draw graphics, computer graphics with the help of a pointer, and the pointer is known as turtle. Then important components of this window is input box which you can type the commands, and the second one is command recall list box which stores all the commands, so then you can type the commands in the input box. Then execute button and reset button. Then the commands are known as primitives. First command is forward and the command used is FD. It is used to move the turtle in the forward direction with the required number of steps. Example FD 100. Second one is BK, or we can say back command, which is used to move the turtle in the backward direction with the required number of steps. So example DK 50. Then right to turn the turtle in the right side with an angle. For example RT 90 to move the turtle in 90 degree. And the next is left. The command used is LT and which is used to turn the turtle to the right side with an angle. For example LT 90 degree. Then another command is HT to hide the turtle. If you want to hide the turtle in the drawing area, then you can use the command HT. Then to show the turtle, you can use the command ST, show turtle. Then pen up means to pick the pen up position without drawing the lines. So the command used is PU or pen up. And the opposite of that is PD, pen down. Then next, to bring the turtle back to the center of the screen, we can use a command that is home. Then to erase the unwanted lines from the figure, you can use a command that is PE, pen erase command. Then what is the application of repeat command? That is, you can create circles, arcs, different polygons like a triangle, square, rectangle, etc. Then PR is the command used for printing messages and also for doing calculations. Then next chapter, chapter 9, the internet applications. Then first one, www. It is the graphical part of internet consisting pictures, audios, videos, etc. Then some important terms related to internet, that is website. Website is the collection of web pages. Web page means it is a digital page containing the contents or the information in the form of text, image, audio, video. Then the important part is URL, Uniform Resource Locator. Then next one is home page. It is the first page of the website. Then next one, search engine. Search engine is the website designed to search for information on the web. Then the fast and electronic way of sending message is email, electronic mail, and instant way of communication with the people, that is chatting. So these are the main topics in all 4 these chapters. Then all the best for your exam. Thank you.